Today's topic is different divination methods, ways to get answers to questions that are coming up for you intuitively. The easiest way, in my mind, is to use the pendulum, which picks up micro movements of muscles that are caused by the abdominal brain flashing with something, a little intuitive insight. And the tool allows you to magnify the movement, and as long as you know how to read it as a yes or a no, it's perfect. And the yeses or no can be forward, back, they can be side to side. It all depends on what you set up with your pendulum. Another way for just about anyone to test is the body method. And to do this, you just stand or sit on the edge of your chair. What you want to do is ask a yes question that you know the answer to and a no question. When you get a yes answer, your body will be attracted to it, so it'll move forward. If it's a no question, no answer, you'll be repelled, your body will move backwards. And now these are the normal movements for most people. There are a few contraries out there, but you got to let them do what they do. So first of all, set up what's a yes, what's a no, and then work from there and practice, practice, practice. Another method that a lot of people have used to get yeses and nos is using muscle testing. And you take your magic finger and thumbs and then link them. So now you're locked. When you ask your yes question, the link stays strong or even gets stronger. If it's a no answer, there'll be a weakness and you won't be able to hold those fingers together. The challenge with this method is people try to be bodybuilders and I'm not going to let them break that answer no matter what. And you'll break your fingers before you can get them to open on a yes even. So don't even worry about it. Find another method to work with. Muscle testing is the same with pressing the arm down and up, and there's a whole system of healing work and diagnostic work using muscle testing. It's very good. But if your client is fighting it, is trying to be strong, you won't get the right answers. I have another method that I like, especially if I'm in a meeting. If my arm is a flat surface, I'll put my other hand down gently. If I want to know is the answer a yes, my forefinger jumps. If it's a no, my little finger jumps. I don't know. I didn't set this up. I just tested it, and that's what happened. You can ask, does the boss really know what he's talking about? And I get a no. Okay, does the boss want some help on this? Yeah. And so maybe it's time to step up and help. All of these methods, and there are more, they get a little bit more complicated and hard to follow. The main methods, though, for finding answers, yes or no answers, and those are important because that's the first step of finding out if your intuitive hits are correct or not. So I hope you enjoyed the topic. Play with all the methods, pick out your favorite. Please hit subscribe and feel free to drop a suggestion on what you'd like to hear about. We'll see you on the next video.